Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. So today I have a question. How many egg curries are too many egg curries? Let me answer that. You can't put a number on it. Yes, my friends, we are doing another variation of egg curry, also so simple like my any other recipe. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a pan, I'm taking 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera slash cumin, 4 chopped green chilies. Saute this until the cumin is fragrant. Nice. To this I'm adding 2 onions chopped. And let's fry this until the onions are translucent. Adding 2 chopped tomatoes. Fry for a minute. And now let's add all the spices, starting with half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I've kept the flavors really mild and fry this for 30 seconds. Add half a cup of water. Mix. I'll also share my another egg curry recipe in here, also in the description box for you guys. Now close the lid and cook for 3-4 minutes. Okay, this looks really mushy and nice. Now the highlight of the dish, you can see I'm crack opening the eggs and not using the boiled eggs like usual. I have taken 4 of them. So cook this on low medium heat for 5 minutes. Awesome, this looks amazing. Add some chopped coriander leaves and voila, it's done. Like you're seeing, I'm having it with dosa. You can also have it with chapati or rice. Please share the pictures with us on Instagram if you try it. Please like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much, and I'm going to be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!